Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 3.1. See here, first question is given that answer the following. How many dimensions a solid has? How many dimensions a solid has? 3 dimensions, which are length, breadth and height, or depth also we can. Okay, which are length, breadth, height or depth. Instead of height we can take as depth also. Okay, so solid has 3 dimensions. Okay, how many books are there in Euclid's Elements? 13 volumes are there in Euclid Elements. Write the number of faces of a cube and cuboid. 6 faces. For cube or cuboids we have 6 faces. Let us see the example I am showing. This is the cuboid, right? This is the shape cuboid shape. Now see here, once count the faces. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This side also one face. No, 6 phases. Total how many phases? 6 phases. Okay, next, what is sum of interior angles of a triangle? 180. Sum of interior of a triangle is 180 degrees. Write 3 undefined terms of geometry. Undefined terms: point, line, plane. These are undefined terms in the geometry. State whether the following statements are true or false. Also give reasons for your answers, right? Only one line can pass through a given point. Yes, only one line can pass through a given point. See, only one line can pass through a given point. No. Given point, there are so many infinite many lines we can form. That is false. Infinite many lines passes through a given point. Okay. Here, but negative statement is given. That is false. All right angles are equal. Yes, all right angles are equal. Circle with the same radii are equal. Yes. A line can be extended on its both sides endlessly to get a straight line. Yes, true. Already I said to you. Take a line segment and you can extend endlessly both the directions to form a straight line. Yes or no? Next, from this figure, AB is greater than AC. True. AB here to here, this much length AB. This length is always greater than length of AC. Yes or no? The AC is one part in AB. Okay. So AB only greater when compared to AC length. Next, in the figure given below, show that the length AH is greater than AB plus BC plus CD. Yes, we can show. How we can show? Once see here. See, given line AH. AH is given line. To prove AH is greater than AB plus BC plus CD. From the figure what we can say? See here, figure is given, no? See, AB plus BC plus CD. Okay, these 3 parts are there, no? AB plus BC plus CD, which is equal to length of AD. But AD length is one part of AH length. AH is full. Okay, in that full, AD is half, one part. Okay, AD is one part. So AD is a part of whole AH. In whole AH, AD is one part. From Euclid's axiom, whole is greater than a part only, no? So whole always greater than part. Okay. So whole is AH, AD is part. Whole only greater when compared to the part. So we can say that AH only greater than AB plus BC plus CD. Hence proved. Okay. I hope you understood. Thank you.